So the folks at Vegetation have just recently announced and released a nice and easy to use video motion capture tool. And this is in partnership with the folks at Quick Magic, which is an online service platform that delivers and generates motions of characters from video clips. And this partnership now brings this video to motion technology directly into iClone, which is Vegezation's real-time character animation software. And this new tool now empowers creators to easily capture videos and turn actors into animated characters, as users can preview these character animations, refine them with built-in iClone tools, and export these animations flawlessly to any 3D program. And this now eliminates the need and use of expensive motion capture suits. And the new iClone Video Mocap tool handles various kinds of footages, as it precisely creates clean character animation of a specific character from a video clip, from complex and explosive to subtle body shifts, camera track shots, complex hand gestures, varying perspective, spinning characters, and so on. So regardless of the actor's performance you have on the video clip, this will recreate the specified character motion easily. And of course, once you're done, you can also choose to retarget these onto any character of your choice. And this is also super optimized for various 3D pipelines, as you can export these to various 3D platforms from Unreal Engine, Unity, Omniverse, Blender, 3D Studio Max, Maya, and this has compatibility support for both material rendering with Arnold and V-Ray. And the cool thing is this tool is free. So the iClone Video Mocap tool is a free tool which works as a plugin in iClone. And how you work with this is super simple. So once you have the add-on installed and you open up iClone, you can simply go over to the plugins within the menu, scroll all the way down to the Video Mocap and select Video Mocap. Now for quick access, there's a toolbar button which you can turn on, and you can use this to access the Video Mocap sidebar panel pretty easily. And the first things which you would notice once you have this opened is that this already comes with 2 sample video files which of course you can go ahead and play with. One of them is already processed and simply tagged applicable, which means you can apply the processed animation to existing characters. And the second clip, which is tagged unprocessed, offers you an opportunity to process the clip and generate new motions. So depending on how you like to experiment with this new tool, you can simply go ahead and do that. And for those that are thinking about making their very own animations with their very own clip, this is also super possible. And how you do this is by simply clicking on the Add Video button on the Video Mocap side window panel, or you can simply drag and drop your file into the Video Mocap side panel. And with this loaded, a video preview/edit window pops up automatically. And with this, you can preview the video clip just to make sure that you've got the right video clip loaded in, and you can set the range of the video clip that you love to generate. Slightly below the timeline, you would also notice that there is a possible dictation, and you can definitely select any of the ones that you want, and this will be reflected in the final animation file. So if you like a full body, or you just like the upper body, you can have that selected. And once you have that done, you can now click on Apply Settings to register the trimmed version of the footage on the Video Mocap panel. And finally, select the video file that you like to use and click on Generate Motion. And this would use 250 DA points to generate the animation. The 250 DA point is a standard regardless of the video clip length, which means that you can do multiple actions inside one video footage and simply generate that and chop these animations into different sizes. And once the processing and generation is done, you now have yourself a generated character animation. And how you actually preview this and work with it is pretty simple. Select the character you have in your scene and click on the Apply Reference Video checkmark button right here within the Video Mocap side window. And once you have that, you can now click on Apply Motion to the character in your scene. And in the case where there is no character in your scene or no character is being selected, once you click on the Apply Motion button within the Video Mocap side window, automatically a dummy character is created with the generated motion. And with this, you can now either preview the animation and work with it, or you can store the motion file for further usability, or you can just simply start refining the animation on your main character with a robust set of animation and motion editing tools available in iClone. And this is really good. So in case you're thinking about creating a library of your very own animated characters, you can now do all of that. And if you're just thinking about creating animation from video files, you can do all of that and refine them however you want. And in cases where you have multiple characters and you like to generate motions of all of these multiple characters, this is also pretty simple. as the process is very similar. Once you have the file loaded in, within the preview/edit window that simply pops up once you load up the file, you can simply go ahead and click on the dictate button, which dictates the actors in your shot. Now, if there's a specific actor that you like to work with, you can click on the actor you would like to make a motion out of, trim the footage however you want, apply the settings to save your trimmed video or your configuration. Now, if you wish to make multiple motions from all of those characters, you can rename your trimmed clip, duplicate it, open the video preview/edit window once more, and select the second character and also apply the settings. Depending on the number of actors you have in your scene, you can duplicate this as many times as possible, and to each video clip, I would recommend you select one actor per clip, as the iClone video mocap tool can process up to 10 clips at the same time, which is really great if you've got multiple clips and multiple actors you like to process at once. And once you have all of this sorted, the process is pretty similar to what we did previously. You can now proceed to generate your animations, play back, refine, and do whatever you want to do with those animations. And this is pretty cool. And you can see how easy it is for you to make animations or generate motions and apply them onto your very own character. And with this, creators of various fields can now easily make animated content without the need of expensive motion capture suits, stages, or technicalities involved. And the cool thing is, once you're done with this, you can now export this to any DCC app of choice. And with tools like this, alongside tools like Character Creator for making awesome, nice and high definition characters, which has a beautiful handshake with iClone, creators can now make their characters, clothe them, and send them off to iClone for animations. Combined with the power of AccuFace, which is Relution's facial performance tool, it is now easier than ever for you to create your very own character animation with full body and full facial motions. So if creating character animations is something that you've been thinking about getting into, this is an easier way for you to start telling your stories and bringing your ideas to life. So this is it. For those who are thinking about checking this out, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. And for those looking for free resources, the folks at Relution have a couple of free resources that can come in super handy, from the free base mesh models, which you can definitely grab and work with totally for free, all the way to AccuRig, which is a free tool that you can use to rig any character that you have, and the beautiful auto setup tools that exist for Bob Maya, Blender, Unreal Engine, and so on. All of these freebies alongside free motion capture tools and a ton of cool stuff are also available, and I'll link all of them in the description so you can go ahead and grab them and start playing with them. This is it. The iClone video mocap tool is now available, and this is an interesting tool that simply turns your video clips to usable character animations. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course, if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.